guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
So we just got here late. My class is still not gonna run, so Mike's giving me a chance to run in his car. So John's gonna do the first qualifier pass because he didn't get to race his. So we're just gonna scrub this one, have him do whatever it does. Looks like he's gonna be racing the Evo first. I told him to send it. So he's not gonna care about the 11.5 class. He's gonna try to do better. Dang it. No. I was looking forward to that. My luck. So Mike told me to do a pass and I broke it. Mike, I'm sorry. Going back to the pit, turned out that we broke an axle. We're just gonna go fix that in, and I'm not allowed to drive the car anymore apparently. So Mike's gonna go at it after that. But right now the golf cart is pulling the mission. I mean, it's barely going, but it's pulling the car. Just got those from BC. They're spec for drag racing, Mike, right? Yep. So this right now we're running 1.7 60 foots, and we're gonna improve it with this. Ooh, I can't show you the secret specs, but these things are built to go fast pretty much. Let's see what they look like. Here. Hold on, you ready? Come on, Brett, come on. Got it. Man, this Mike's getting hooked up. Here you go, Mike.
Look how strong he is.
Here you go.
Damn!
That one on the other side.
Adjustable sound.
And no more blown shit. Ah, de cogiendo de pendejo, Julie.
Hey, mira.
Not many people know that. So actually our uncle used to work for us, and he came and escaped from us, even in Florida. So came to Florida, found him, and now we're putting him to work. El mecánico más lindo de Florida, ¿verdad?
Bello.
Daniel rompió.
Lo pintó que se vea racing.
En el mismo sitio.
Michael lo pintó que se viera racing.
O adentro rompió.
Viste,
Ya,
mira lo que hiciste, mira.
Mongo come el huevo tuyo.
Los huevitos.
So we're gonna put a new one on there. But while we're doing that, he's gonna start working on the coilovers.
Mira, ay, Dios mío, Jesucristo. Mira, cacolado.
We got a squirter. We got a squirter in our hands. Hey.
Yeah. Come on, Michael.
Mike, what did you do to him?
Look, it broke my steering.
Woo, look at that.
Did you miss him?
It was an accident. No, it brings them back to the college days.
You know why? Because you had the wrong shirt on.
Oh. Dry fit, mira.
Yeah?
Ah.
Dry fit. Looks like stretch fit more than me. Así que arregla en Puerto Rico así.
Ajá.
This is one of the last real mechanics where he actually fixes shit and doesn't just replace it. So we're basically going to make one axle out of two axles. It shouldn't break anymore, right? You're going to give my money back?
Yep. Guarantee. Te puso una clase como saqué el lugar. Tráeme el otro.
Oh, ¿te lo tengo que traer también?
No, lo voy a buscar. Mira qué clase de maricón. Trata que te lo estoy cambiando también. Unbelievable.
Ya paren la mierda.
Vamos.
¿Te olvidó que están cambiándolo? So the reason why we're making our uncle go through this headache. Ya no sale. Alright, so the whole reason why we're making him do this is because Mike brought a spare axle.
My brothers.
And you can see that thing is super gone. It's I don't know how you thought this thing would work. So this part was still good in the old axle. So we took it out and put it into the new axle.
Algo de darle duro.
¿Está?
Claro.
Ahí está, sí.
A cojón, ¿verdad?
Oh, hay que entrar.
It's raining again, but did you get the axle in? You got it? You got it? Sick. So axle's in, we're just waiting for the rain to go away so you can put the coilovers on and then hopefully make some passes because we have stuff to do. We missed the first round of qualifying in the red car, so we showed up late. And then I went to qualify on Mike's FD and broke the axle, so we missed that. So we haven't made any qualifying runs, so we still have 4 more chances. And when this rain, hope we can actually get those qualifying passes in. I came for the hard work.
Ahora, después que lo termine.
Okay, fine, let me get some water on it.
Okay.
Not the camera though. So race has been on and off today. It's been like raining like 4 times already. So we got the car out just to basically wash it, but just mixing with nice pullovers. Got most of them on already. So gotta finish the fronts and wait for it to dry to go out again. How much for a hot dog?
How much?
Yeah.
Open the thing and eat it.
Oh, I can't open it. Oh shit.
I don't know if you know
that's
about
more than
all
6
that.
inches right there.
Yeah. Oh my boy. That's terrible.
Hey, he took your credit, man. He didn't give you no credit. Hey man, so congrats on your pass.
Thank you, man.
You did it. No wheelie though. No wheelie.
No wheelie. You didn't get to see the wheelie yet.
Man.
Yeah, I wanted the 8. So I've done enough wheelies.
Going for the W?
Yeah, we'll see. I'm number 2 qualifier.
Oh shit. I'm number 0 qualifier, so I haven't gone yet.
Jamie is setting up the anti-lag on the first head.
It needs to fly out of the wastegate. If not, it's not good enough. Yo, they were like 30 feet in the air. Finally lined up. I got the first spot because I showed up early, but just to secure a spot, we actually need to race, so we're gonna go get the Corvette first time. We'll see what it does. What do you think, Mike? What's gonna happen?
2018.
It's gonna pop a wheelie.
Don't say a broken transmission,
It's gonna
please.
pop a wheelie.
ladies, this guy hasn't had a date.
A wheelie, I'm cool with a wheelie.
So we got John over here, and we wired up the 2-step to a button, the 2-step anti-lag. So he's gonna be in full control of everything. Alright, so John won that one, but obviously it needed more 2-step. The car bogged down hard. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna race the two-step and we're gonna race the boost and go from there. You know, we still got 3 more qualifying rounds. Fucking battery terminal came off. Can you give me back the boost? The problem is that the RPM is too low now. So it didn't carry the car out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna raise the RPM, that way it leaves harder. So one of the issues we had is that since we didn't get to test yesterday, we're straight going into qualifications without having the car tested, and we turned the boost down, we turned the launch control down just to see how the car leaves, so we don't just break in the first run. So now that we saw how the car left at 1600 RPMs, we're gonna turn it up a little bit and go from 12 pounds launch control to 16 pounds, and then the top end, turn the boost up a little higher so we can get to that, get out of that 11, right, Mike? So we can turn everything up. Now we know how the car runs, and then I don't see no code, so everything seems good. Yeah, launch RPM 6800. So I think the best bet is we're gonna have to turn up this to 882. And if it spins, whatever, but 60, obviously 68 was too low. You wanna try to see how much boost it builds? What's it building now? 15. 15? Might be a magical number we need. And we raised the RPM, so it should be fine. What about the duty cycle on the wastegate? I raised it also like 3 points just to see what it does. So what I need to do is get it to log though. Wasn't too bad, but the battery came off in second gear.
Oh, that's what that was?
Yeah, I just lost all power.
Oh.
Yeah, but
well, now we know.
Now we're gonna tighten it now.
Yeah, and then we'll give her a little more onion.
Yeah.
You're leaving it loaded, so you
we turned up the RPM up, so now we're making 15 pounds.
Yep, we were thinking 15 to 20 pounds unloaded.
Yeah.
You loaded should be all right. If it lays down,
see, this one's got the diff that won't break, so we can load this one hard.
Yeah. He just needs something to load it, a brake or something.
Not bad, man. I got the first pass out.
It's awesome, man.
Alright, now Mike's gonna show me how it's actually done. You wanna try? We don't know what it's gonna do. Get some shoes with laces. The guy like, 10 buses behind me, and I was like, fuck, I didn't let off. You're an idiot. Your inner voice got to you. I did. Bro, I missed the gear and it still broke out. By a lot. A lot. By a lot. By a lot. We got 2 passes in on the FD, one without the BC coilovers and one with the BC coilovers. So the first pass that we did was a 1760 foot. Your thumb, cemetery thumb. And the car left really, really bad. Like it hopped, like really bad. And then after we put the BC coilovers on the drag BC coilovers, it brought it down to a 1.5, and the car actually took off like smooth. So it squatted and it moved forward, which that's what we want. So before, right, it was now, just shocking and basically spinning. We're not having that bounce that we used to have where the car will sit and then bounce back. It's actually squatting, taking off forward. So from this, we can adjust that and get it into the 1.4s just by adjusting dampening and adjusting the fronts. And 1.4s, that's all factory diff, factory axles, everything stock. Axles, so we broke axles with the other suspension, and with this suspension, we didn't break axles. So definitely the shocks helped a lot, so I'm excited to make some more passes with it.